Hey guys, welcome back to Loose Vintage RC. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is dedicated RC car channel to restoring vintage RC cars, trucks, boats. We even do custom builds around the holiday season and new builds as long as it has a vintage tie-in. What we're looking at right here is something quite special, especially in its condition. You're looking at 1985 Sears Super Lobo 110 scale RC buggy. These are amazing, especially considering it's almost 40 years old, guys. Look at that. How beautiful is that thing? I mean, it looks like a car you could get today. And that's how perfect this thing is. You'll see a lot of these on eBay, you do, but you don't see them in this condition. Perfect. This is a mint one. A gentleman reached out to me. He said, "Look, I love your channel. I'm into RC. And I thought before I put this on eBay, you might be interested in purchasing one of these." And I said, "Okay, what condition is it in?" He said, "That's funny because it's mint." He says, "I got this from my dad." He says, "I opened it out throughout the years, but I never drove it, Luke, and it's just been sitting in the box. And I just kept it in a closet." So I told him, I said, "You know what, I'll buy it from you. What are you asking for it?" He knows what the value of these are. These are not cheap. These go for hundreds of dollars nowadays in mint condition. So we did kind of go back and forth on it, and we came to a good price for both of us. I knew it was going to go for crazy money on eBay, so I wanted to get it before I went there. I've had these over the years. I never had the Sears one, and this will be the first Sears RC on the channel, which we pretty much got almost every brand on Luke's Vintage RC so far. There's not that many left that I haven't done already, and I needed a Sears one anyways. So with that being said, these do share their DNA with some other ones that you're probably familiar with. The Nico F10 or Bison is one of them. The Radio Shack Golden Arrow is another one. The Scorpion Truck, which we've done also. But if you want to see any one of these cars maxed out or modified to the hilt, we did a 1987 Radio Shack Golden Arrow with brushless, new servo, ball bearings, custom paint work, wheels and tire upgrade. It's an amazing video, so definitely check out the Radio Shack Golden Arrow on my channel. You'll love it, guaranteed. So with that, let me show you the box. You don't see these with boxes, even though this one's not the best condition, but he put stuff on it throughout the years. But it's still here. Love that. Look at that picture. Is that cool? The desert. So let's show you the car itself. Nearly 40 years old and looks beautiful still. I think these are killer. A wolf on the front. So neat. Now there is a smaller version of the Lobos, but those are toy. This is one of those weird arguments, whether or not this is a hobby grade or toy grade anymore. And I'm going to say it's kind of in the world of limbo there. I think it sits in between that. Some argue that it's hobby grade, some argue that it's toy grade, some argue it's both. I'm kind of in the world of middle. I don't know. And I've been doing RC for many years. This is one of those weird ones. But it's funny because Traxxas makes the Cat from, I believe that was from 86 or so. I did a review of that car, and that one is hobby grade. I mean, just straight up. So if it has the same chassis, it's got to be hobby grade, right? I don't know. And you can't upgrade the wheels, and you can't upgrade the bearing, or the bushings to bearings. So Nico did give you a catalog where you can open it up. I don't have the catalog in front of me. I wish I did. But you can order different things for this car. You could order another motor. You could order more wheels and tires for it. You could order ball bearings for it. I just don't have that brochure or that catalog. I wish I did. Let's go ahead and show you what's cool about this one. A body clip. Bodies come off. lights. Check it out. It even has a composite reinforced chassis stiffener on the bottom, just like you would see on some of the other hobby grade RCs. They didn't have to do that, but they did. So cool. 540 motor like you would see in an actual hobby grade RC. So, and this was actually as fast and faster than some hobby grade RC cars, fully hobby grade. That would be like, to me, a Grasshopper or something like that. It would outrun that. So there is an argument on that. I don't know where to sit at, and it's one of these things where I've always wondered. So that's an argument for a different day. This being said, and so the guy that is one of my viewers and subscribers to my channel, he said, "Hey, I think you would like this. We made a deal. Here it is. I couldn't be any happier. You know who you are. Thank you so much." So the only thing is, we needed to get another battery. I do have the battery, but it's dead. And I tried everything to charge it. Doesn't charge. So we have to get another 7.2 volt battery pack for this one. But that's okay. So cool. It even has, I don't know if you could see it, made in 1985, made in Japan. So cool. To see one of these perfect is quite rare. And these are fetching a lot of money nowadays. And just the wheels and tires are expensive nowadays too. So yeah. In this video, you're going to see everything. You're going to see me open the box with this one, and you're going to see the running and the top speed as well. All that's going to start right now. Alrighty, guys. So here we are, getting ready to do an unboxing of the 1985 Sears Radio Control Super Lobo 110 scale racing buggy. Give me a second. Let me pull the lid off here. There we go. All right, there's our manual with the warranty card, antenna tube. All right. The remote. Let's see how the remote looks. Nice. Looks like maybe a charging jack and a wrench. We got our antenna for the remote. What's this? Oh, how cool. Little lights. All right, awesome. There she is. Pull this thing out. There we go. Wow, that looks amazing. Man. Yeah, you usually see these all beat up. That's so cool. I am excited for this, guys. So yeah, I think what we're going to do now is going to put some batteries in it. It uses a 4 AA for the car and 6 AA for the remote. And we did get us sent over from a viewer. I put fillers out for a brand new battery pack by Sears. And I do have a brand new 7.2 1985 battery pack. I don't know if it's going to charge up, but at least we'll get to see. If not, I do have plenty of these. So let's go ahead and go straight to the run video now. All right, so we're based off 0 for top speed. Let's see what she does. Alrighty, looks like we got 15 miles an hour. We'll take it. Not too shabby. Alright, now on to the run review. Alright guys, now for the run review. Just a nice running car. Looks so good in the light, in the sunlight. Woo! I'll tell you, when Nico made this car, they really did make something special. No, it's not, you know, crazy super fast or anything like that, but it's just the way that this car drives. You know, it feels sturdy, almost like an old Mercedes, just built tough and super reliable. You know, I think this car will still run for another 40 years. Crazy. All right, now let's go ahead and drive it along some rough areas. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this bad boy. I truly appreciate you watching my videos. If you have any memories of this one, please feel free to drop them down below. We'd love to hear about one of the variants of these as well, if you have a different one. Also, if you can, please hit the like button. And if you can, I'm so close to 3,000 subscribers. It would make my world if you would just help me achieve that goal by subscribing. I do got some really cool videos coming right down the pipeline, so if you can, also hit the notification bell and you'll be notified. So with all that being said, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.